This is a fit for a 2010 through 2016 Land Rover LR4 with factory installed tracks. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima LockNLoad platform. This system uses the LockNLoad platform, which measures 60 inches in length by 54 inches in width. It features multiple integrated bars with tracks to accommodate a wide range of both off-road and recreational accessories. It is supported by the SkyLine Towers, which connect to the underside of the LockNLoad with the LockNLoad SL adapters. It connects to the tracks using Yakima landing pad number 4. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the rear antenna or fully opened rear hatch. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.